If you're tired of Microsoft OneDrive launching automatically every time you start your Windows 10 computer, this tutorial is going to help you take back control. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop OneDrive from starting up by itself, speeding up your boot times and making your PC experience just that little bit smoother. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open up the Task Manager. This is your go-to tool for seeing what programs are running on your system, and even which ones are allowed to start when Windows does. The quickest way to open Task Manager is to press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard all at the same time. You might need two hands for this. Just press and hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap Escape. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, you can right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen, where the Windows logo is, and select Task Manager from the menu that pops up. Either way works, so use whichever is more comfortable for you. Now, when Task Manager opens, you might see a compact version with just a list of running apps. If so, look for the option that says More Details in the bottom left corner and give that a click. This will expand Task Manager to show several tabs, giving you a clearer view of what's happening on your PC. Next, we want to focus on Startup Programs. Click the tab labeled Startup up at the top. Or if you're running a newer preview of Windows, you might see Startup Apps instead, but it's the same place. This section lists everything that's set to run automatically when you turn on your computer. Over time, more and more programs can sneak their way into your startup list, and that can really slow things down when you boot up, so it's always a good idea to review this list periodically. Now scroll through the startup list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. They're listed alphabetically, so you'll probably find it in the M section. Take your time here. The list might be longer if you have a lot of apps installed. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and while it can be handy if you use it often, it's not necessary for everyone to have it running all the time, especially if you prefer using other services. When you spot Microsoft OneDrive, go ahead and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, simply choose Disable. Don't worry, disabling it here does not uninstall OneDrive from your computer or delete any files. It just means that OneDrive won't launch automatically every time you start Windows. You can still open it manually from your Start menu anytime you want to access your cloud files. Disabling OneDrive this way helps your PC start up faster and reduces background processes you might not need. If you ever change your mind, just come back to this same Startup tab, right-click OneDrive again and choose Enable to bring it back. And that's really it. These simple steps put you back in charge of what runs when your PC starts up, which can make a noticeable difference if you like a clutter-free and faster computing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or you'd like me to cover another topic, drop a comment below. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.